Juggling subscriptions for multiple cybersecurity software providers is a huge pain. Instead, I prefer to get everything from one source if possible. Hey guys, my name is John from VPN Pro, and today I will talk about one of the best VPN Plus Secure Plus Password Manager bundles. And it's no other than NordVPN NordLocker and Nordpass Review 2022. Strap in! As I've mentioned before, Nord team offers 3 cybersecurity tools. I know some providers try to mix things up, like IPVanish with its SugarSync, but Nord offers different apps, each fulfilling a separate purpose. I prefer this approach since it makes every app focus on the task it's designed for, instead of trying to do everything and falling into mediocrity. Nice thing is, the NordPass Password Manager and NordLocker Cloud Storage are essentially free to use, though there are limitations to free versions. With NordLocker, more money means more storage and better support, and with NordPass, premium adds password sharing, weak password identifier, data leak scanner, and multiple device support, just mostly quality of life features. NordVPN only exists as a premium version though, and is priced fairly as far as VPNs go. Also, all 3 apps have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and NordVPN has a 7-day free trial. But if you really want a good deal, check the description of this video for discount links. Okay, enough with boring numbers, time for a brief NordPass review. It's one of the best password manager apps I've used, and I had it around for more than a couple of years now. It has all the important features I look for in a password manager. Is NordPass safe? Taking a closer look, NordPass uses XChaCha20 encryption for keeping passwords, and the zero-knowledge architecture guarantees that passwords get encrypted before reaching NordPass servers. What that means is that no third party will be able to intercept your data while it's vulnerable. Still, I choose to run 2-factor authentication and biometric authentication on my phone for absolute security. But is NordPass good for you beyond the security measures? When it comes to managing passwords, I have to highlight the password generator and strength checker. Thanks to them, not only do I know that my usual passwords suck, but most of my passwords now look like this. Try to guess one of those. NordPass is neat, clean, and detailed, whether you pick up a desktop app, a mobile app, or a browser extension. However, keep in mind that extensions are additions to the app, not a replacement. Overall, NordPass is one of the best password manager services. You can check it out for free, and it's never too late to grab a premium if you end up enjoying it. In the other case, exporting your passwords from NordPass into any other password manager is a matter of just a few minutes. I've talked about NordVPN before, and I'm not afraid to talk about it again. It won't be a full NordVPN Review 2022 though, and for one of those, check this link. NordVPN provides an encrypted connection between your device and one of their secure RAM-only servers. With a trustworthy no-logs policy and benefits of Panama jurisdiction, NordVPN can safely keep 0 logs of your activity, keeping your business entirely yours. Personally, I value NordVPN for an assortment of security features that doesn't only prevent data leaks, but also get rid of ads and malicious links. The NordVPN's usability goes past just the security though. I had a blast accessing geo-blocked content with NordVPN. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, you name it. Furthermore, NordVPN can even bypass firewalls in restrictive countries like China, allowing your connection out of there. As I've mentioned before, NordVPN is premium only, so if you want to try it out, I recommend you using NordVPN coupon code from the description down below. Never too late to cancel, well, unless 30 days have passed. Next, NordLocker. The concept of encrypted cloud storage is not new, but NordLocker executes it pretty much flawlessly. Starting with 3 GB of storage for free and ending with 2 TB at maximum, NordLocker protects your important files and make them impossible to access for everyone but you. Using NordLocker, I came to the conclusion that if you just need to keep confidential text files in a free version would be enough. But if you are working with video or audio files which needs protection like I do, the 500 GB plan will be more than enough. I'm afraid to even imagine what things one could hide in that 2 TB storage though. Anyways, NordLocker is an efficient way to keep your data secure, and it's even better that you can do it for free up to a limit. Bottom line, Nord team creates quality products, contributing towards creating the ultimate online security in your home. I've enjoyed working with all 3 apps, and it's extra nice that you can get 2 of them for free. It is super convenient to have most of my cybersecurity coming from one source. So if you want good security without necessity to alternate between providers, these apps are a good option. And if you already have an experience with some of those apps, make sure to share it in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video.